So today we are gonna unbox the First Partner Illustration Collection Series 3. Now I have opened all 3 of them, so this is very exciting. There's a Pitch Black and also a Chaos Rising in here, so I'm really excited to see which starter series we get. I'm hoping for either Torchic, Fennekin, or Sprigatito. Those are the starters that I have chosen in the game, so I just love opening these just to see which region we get. Oh my god, they like super glued this. And you do get a sticker sheet as well in each one of them. So stickers, we love our stickers here. Alrighty, moment of truth. Which region do we get? I will ball if I get Sprigatito though. Torchic, the Hoenn. Which, if you don't know, I've never really played the Hoenn region before, just because when I actually had it, I had Sapphire. Someone stole it, my copy, and I was able to do the Alpha Sapphire, but like I never played the original, and it always makes me so sad. I got so far on it too, but we got the Hoenn region, which I chose Torchic. He's so cute. I do love Mudkip though, too. Mudkip's so cute too, but Torchic was it. So, and actually my cousin got me a little Torchic keychain from Japan as well. So, let's open up the, actually, oh my god, these are kind of heavy. Alrighty, Chaos Rising. This is the one that we pulled here first. I'm sorry, these are like awful pulls today for some reason. Okay. Inside that. Oh, nice! Got an EX in that one. That is so cool. It's going in the binder. Alrighty, Pitch Black. There we go, that was a little more. A little better here. Okay. There we go. I don't know if I ever got the Slowpoke. I don't remember. I got a couple Slowbros though. Ooh, that's cool. Full art energy. Well, like trainer card. I don't know. What do you call these? Yeah, trainer item card. That's really neat. I have a couple of these, so that's actually pretty cool. I love the colors on it. So we actually did pretty good on that. So we got the Hoenn starters. And then we actually got full art and an EX, which is pretty good. So that's what I opened in the First Partner Illustration Series 3. So we did pretty good on that. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.